provide, ito, kailangan nila ng tulong in this area. Sensitivity to the needs of others. Okay? So, kailangan tayo maging sensitive sa needs ng iba. We have to be cautious, maging maingat, and we have to be detailed and in facts. Kailangan yung facts ay sigurado natin. Okay? So, maging detalye tayo. Life development areas. Kailangan natin na i-extend ang ating patience. Patience. Kaya, sabihin mo sa sarili mo kapag ka na-impatient ka na, patient. Okay. You need to develop sensitivity to the needs of others. Maging sensitive tayo, Sister Mary. Kasi, kapag nag-direct to the point tayo, nasasaktan yung iba. Okay? Siguro, pag-aralan natin kung paano magpaligoy-ligoy ng konti.
Bella.
Okay. Be more flexible. Ayan. Kahit na ayaw nyo maging flexible, Lord, give me more flexibility. Ayan? And more patience. Yun ang prayer ninyo. Okay, let's do the influencer. Ito, the happiest personality influencer. Kapag walang influencer sa church dito, good. For being a doer, we could advance. Okay? And lahat ng ating inumpisahan, nagkakaroon ng development. So, thank you for being a doer. Although you are you should be very sensitive to others. Kasi nga, ang gusto nyo mapabuti, pero yung iba nasasagasaan. Okay? Now, let's go to the influencer. Influencer, your personality is unique. Because we could, in the midst of many problems and trials in life, with the influences around, we could forget it. Because you are so happy in your outlook. Okay? So, eto kayo. Let's raise the hands of the influencers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Influencer ka.
Ito yung highest mo.
Ay, highest lang. Pangalawa yan, isa. Pangalawa lang yung pastor.
So, walang highest dito ng influencers?
Wala. Pangalawa lang. Walang influencer, pastor. Pangalawa lang.
Walang influencer dito?
Meron pangalawa. Yung pangalawa? Wala. I mean, yung highest. Yung highest na sila. Yung una yung kanyang personality.
Seryoso to, bro.
Kaka-doer.
Now, let's see. Yung seconded na mga influencers.
Second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Helps your personality because influencers are, number 1, they are optimistic. They don't care whatever problems, they just say good things in everything. Influencers, that's gift of faith. Okay? Para sa yung doer, thinker, at saka relators, you need an influencer spiritual side of you. Kasi yung faith stays positive. Okay? Kailangan pag medyo down kayo, lumamig kayo sa mga influencers and these influencers. And if you have the personality of an influencer, let your influencer work when you are going through difficult times. Okay? That is the faith that the Lord gave you. Optimist. They're so enthusiastic. Kahit na simpleng bagay, naku, para silang ang saya-saya nila. Okay? They're being personable. Ayan mga yan, eto na ang problema nyo sa mga yan. Gusto nila lagi silang sikat at bida. Hindi mo pwede hindi yan ilalagay sa sulok. Lalabas at lalabas yan. Makikita mo yan. Kahit yan ay pumunta ka muna doon at doon ka muna. After 3 minutes, andyan na. Nagpapapicture na yan. Okay. So they're so personable. Making a good impression. Ayan. Ano yun? Impress. Nagpapa-impress. Nagpapa-impress yan. Mga yan. Pag hindi mo yung pinansin, gagawa yan ng paraan. Gagawa yan ng paraan para mapansin mo sila.
Hindi na lagi.
Okay. So tama yun.
Tama, Pastor. Lower siya. Hindi, influencer na eh. Influencer naman lahat.
Make good impression, pampa-impress, being verbally articulate. Verbally articulative sila, makukonvince ka nila kahit ayaw mo. Because they are articulate in their communication. They desire to help others. Kaya matutulungin niya mga yan. Kahit hindi mo kailangan ng tulong, tutulungan ka niya. They create an entertaining community. Kaya, kapag meron kayo mga party, let them handle the game parts. And you will enjoy it. Okay? Now, their strength. They always provide a friendly atmosphere. Gusto nila masaya, gusto nila at home ang feeling, ayaw nila ng mga serious dyan. Gusto nila lagi masaya, nakangiti. Pagka hindi ka bumiti, papangiti mo. Freedom from control and detail. Ayan. Ayaw nila, they need freedom. Ayaw nila ng control, ayaw nila ng detalye. Ito yung mga tao na ang hirap mo na i-commit sa isang bagay na seryoso. Bakit? Ayaw nila nung kinokontrol ang kanilang time, ayaw nila yung bibigyan mo sila ng specific na responsibility sa buhay. Basta gusto lang nila freedom and they will enjoy life. Okay. They are the happy-go-lucky type. Opportunity to influence others, ang bilis nilang mag-influence. Because of their... kasi pag hindi mo sila sinabihan, papakita ng gilas niya para sabihan mo. Kaya sabihin mo na. Ay, para naman.
Ako.
Mabuti naman second lang mabuti kasi ang top personality. Okay. Opportunity.
Kaya nga sa
To
Facebook.
verbalize. Ayan, gusto nila, binibigyan sila ng opportunity para magsalita. Okay? Positive reinforcement and praise. Kailangan nila lagi pupurihin sila. Enthusiastic responses to ideas. Napakasimpleng idea para sa kanila. They will accept it as if it is the most incredible thing. Kung mga pagka-exaggerado. Exaggerated. Okay, now their weaknesses. Listen. So, masaya kayo, pero ito problema niyo. Ito problema niyo. Okay? Kayo, mga influencers, lahat pinapaasa nyo ang mga tao sa'yo. Pero in the actual day, wala kayo doon. Kasi lahat, sumagot kayo sa lahat. Na-realize nyo, I know yourself. Be very honest to yourself. Kung ano lang yung talaga, yun lang. Okay? Overestimating anticipated results. Ayan, eto na. Meron kang plinano. Talagang detalyado na, planong-plano na. By 10 years from now, meron akong mansion. Andon, andyan. Dumating yung 10 years, ni Paco, hindi mo nabili, frustrated ka sa buhay mo, depressed. Kasi na-over masyado, estimate yourself. Okay? Misjudging capabilities. Ayan. Mini-misjudge mo yung iba sa abilidad nila. Never put down others. Okay? Ang tendency sa inyo, mahusay kayong mag-show off. Sa show off, okay kayo. Yung iba, hindi naman nag-show off, pero meron. Pero i-misjudge nyo kasi hindi sila personable katulad mo. Okay? So, you cannot judge the book by its cover. Learn it. Influential. Talking too much. Ayan. Ewan mo.
Ako, maka-charge. At yan.